Hi, I'm Todd, and I'm here to talk to you about how big data and advanced analytics solutions can transform healthcare. I'm sure that you would agree that healthcare is rapidly transforming. However, when it comes to health systems around the world today, most are good at caring for the very sick, but fall short at keeping people well, or at helping to better manage things like chronic disease conditions. Most health experts and consumers agree that current health systems are not geared toward meeting the current and future health needs. Providing the best patient care possible while controlling cost is at the core of every health organization's mission. However, pressing challenges often stand in the way: constrained budgets, new payment models, rapidly evolving security threats, regulatory mandates, and overextended staff. These and other factors are leading to a fundamental transformation of healthcare, which will inevitably necessitate strategic decisions impacting healthcare providers' service delivery models and underlying competencies. It is now clearly recognized as crucial to operating efficiency, effectiveness, and competitive differentiation. It is also an essential ingredient of transformation. Today, technology is radically shifting how physicians and patients interact. We need to empower care teams, enable patients to interact in new ways, optimize operations, and transform patient care and enable personalized treatment. Health organizations need solutions that can help them take advantage of all the first and third-party data that they have. We've heard from our customers that they want to use advanced analytics and big data to improve business processes and increase competitiveness. But building intelligent solutions is difficult, time-consuming, and expensive. Many health organizations are also not up to the challenges of identifying and prioritizing what types of insights would be most relevant to the organization and how they use advanced analytics to solve business problems. We have several ways to get health organizations started. We'll talk about 3 of these ways in the rest of this video. The first option is the recently announced Cortana Intelligent Solution Template. These templates simplify your journey to an intelligent business application. They allow for rapid prototyping of common advanced analytics scenarios with a streamlined deployment experience, domain-specific machine learning models, and trained partners to get started with. Think of the template as a guide to help you get started. However, if you want fully finished apps that you can easily get started with, Microsoft has worked with domain specialist partners to build finished solutions that let you get started and unleash advanced analytics easily. For example, the apps from KenSci and CGI. Let's look first at the solution template. The hospital length of stay template allows you to improve patient care experience with machine learning. You can improve patient experience and streamline hospital operations by better predicting patient visit duration and resource consumption. The solution identifies drivers of inpatient visit duration, intensity, and resource usage patterns, and matches new transactions to similar past cases. You can also incorporate forecasts into staffing, procurement, and asset allocation decision. So let's look at how this works. So let's take a look at the template, Predicting Length of Stay in Hospitals. Here we have some summary description, and also we talk a little bit about the 2 personas, the Chief Medical Information Officer and the Care Line Manager that would be involved in utilizing this template. To utilize and try it, first we click on Try It Now. And here we can see the CMIO weekly report, allowing him to view by ward and the patient count by condition, and also the number of days left, so they can very easily see the capacity, the patient count, and the daily capacity admitted. The second persona, the Care Line Manager, has a similar view, looking at the number of days left, the total capacity, but also breaks it down more by the days and the various issues that the readable encounters that those patients have, and also provides a list of patients for each one of those days of utilization. So once you've reviewed the template, we can easily deploy it by clicking on Deploy the Solution. So now that we've looked at the template, let's talk about KenSci. As healthcare shifts to a value-based model, providers are increasingly under pressure to provide more proactive care, improve outcomes, and lower cost. The clinical analytics solution built on Microsoft Cloud technology enables providers to do all three. Clinical analytics applies machine learning to help providers shift through oceans of data in order to accurately predict which patients are at higher risk, what a patient's modifiable risks are, and how to provide the most effective care for each individual patient. It does this by leveraging over 180 pre-built machine learning models that mine millions of records from public and consumer data sets like claims, EHR, admission, discharge, and transfer, ADT, financial, and patient general data, delivering a substantial ROI in just 12 weeks. The next one is CGI Proper Pay for claims analytics. It is a data-driven solution that predicts, identifies, manages, and recovers medical claims that have been improperly paid. With Proper Pay, you can predict hidden patterns and anomalies within the entire claims data universe to identify claims with the highest potential for recovery. Advanced analytical techniques detect trends and patterns to identify improper payment scenarios and select cases for review. The system uses claims data in combination with other data sources, such as audit results, to refine targets. Through machine learning, patterns and trends are learned and applied to refine approaches to reduce false positives and create efficiencies. Finally, TriBridge. Effectively coordinating patient care is one of the most pressing challenges facing the healthcare industry today. Because patients see a variety of caregivers, primary care physicians, specialists, nurses, emergency room personnel, home care providers, and more, their medical information is scattered across multiple databases. Care coordination empowers care teams to work cohesively and enables care that is proactive rather than just reactive. This both makes care more effective and reduces unnecessary procedures. Ultimately, care coordination works to help care teams achieve the goals of value-based care, improved patient health, improved patient experience, and of course, reduce cost. So we've looked at several examples of partners that are building solutions that take the wealth of data you collect and do something valuable with it, giving you real-time and intelligent insights so you can make a decision faster, better, and with more data-driven confidence. Health organizations can accelerate their time to value with Microsoft Advanced Analytics because of our solution-driven approach. We want to take the care of heavy lifting so that you can use the built-in intelligent capabilities of our solutions to add value as soon as possible for your organization. Our applications and templates are built on the secure, trusted Azure platform. And finally, we want to work with you wherever you are in your analytics journey. Our solution will work with what you have, any platform, any language, on-premise, and in the cloud. It's easy to get started. Most of the solutions that we've discussed today have accessible demos and trials. To find out more, go to Cortana Intelligent Gallery to find out about the new healthcare vertical solution template. And get started with the health finished solutions at appsource.microsoft.com. Thank you.